Hey lovelies, it's your tech bestie here. Do you want to know how to create juicy, eye-catchy, and engaging newsletter like this, or this? Do you know you can create all of this and even more with just Gmail? Here's how. Go on Gmail and click on the plus icon on the right side of your screen. Go to the search bar and search for BeFree and go ahead to install it. BitFree is an email template builder that gives you unique, high catching, and engaging newsletter templates. Once completed, the next step is to create a BeFree account and link it to your Gmail. You can see the BeFree icon when you click the compose button to begin a new message. BeFree offers a broad choice of unique templates and feel free to explore the choices available to you. Next, go ahead to create a BeFree account. Visit the website and go ahead to create an account. This gives you access to endless tools for customization and being able to create that perfect email templates that you desire. You have a choice to create from scratch or choose a template of your choice, and you can go ahead to edit it, change the fonts, the text, the colors to your liking, and also add those cool art and images that you have stored up in your gallery. The best part is it's highly customizable with easy to use tools that will leave you feeling like a pro. Once done, click on the export button and select push to your sending system, which gives you the option to send your templates directly to your Gmail account. Right from your Gmail, you can make more changes and tweak the templates as you desire. By clicking on the option below, go ahead to save your templates so you can have a unique and organic email template for your next email. Now let's sign off like a pro and go ahead to hit the send button. There you go. As easy as bricks. Ensure to like, follow, turn on post notification, and never miss an update. See you in the next video. And if you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button.